How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be changing the cabin air filter on the 5th generation Honda CRV. It's 2017 to 2022. We'll go ahead and open the passenger side door. And you're going to need your new filter. And this is from Honda. Here's the part number. So the location of the cabin air filter is in your glove compartment. You're going to want to go ahead and make sure it's empty. Then we'll come right over here, and you got this little lever right there. You're just going to go ahead and push that down. And then on each side, you can see right here, each side has this. Just go ahead and push the side of your glove compartment in. Come over to this side and do the same thing. And then your whole glove compartment drops down. And we'll go ahead and open that door up, and that's where our cabin air filter is. Got these little tabs on the side. You can just pull that one, pull the other, and the cover comes off. You can go ahead, grab our old filter, slide it out. Before we install our new filter, it says airflow with arrows. You want those arrows pointing downward. And we'll go ahead and grab our new filter with the arrows pointing down. Push it into place, and we'll grab our cover and make sure you can see it says up with an arrow. Push that in, make sure both sides are clipped in, and that completes the air filter. Now we just got to go ahead and put the glove compartment back in place. So just go ahead and grab your glove compartment and push it up, and you'll hear those on both sides, they'll clip in. And just come back over here and grab this, and it'll pull down. Make sure that clips back into place, and that's it. That completes the cabin air filter on this Honda CRV. If this helps you guys out, if you could give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.